What's up everybody, it's me here for another video, and today, as you can see on the screen, it's huge today because it's the biggest, the hardest tutorial I've made yet. So it's going to be about form in HTML, plus there's not going to be CSS, but there will be PHP. I will put a PHP tutorial series soon after I finish this series. I think I will do it because PHP is, well, it's like the same thing as HTML, but it does more things than HTML, and it does a lot of database, so you can, well, manage data with PHP. I'll talk about that later on, but we're going to use this say in our form. It's the very basic form without the as you can see, here is a submit button, but it's not going to work when I click on it. You can see cannot get, because first of all, I do not have the PHP file in my folder. Second of all, I just didn't write the script because I don't want to talk about PHP right now. Yes, so it's a lot to cover today, so I will move up a bit faster than normally I should. So going to be form as the form tag, and well, two is enough, one is enough. And here's going to be action, which this will be the PHP. So yeah, so if you click on the submit button, and then you will be directed to the form.php file, or whatever you call it. You can call it as action.php file, but I like to call it form.php. So that is the first one. Getting too messy right now. Okay, so and then we're going to write the first letter. Well, it's kind of like PHP inside of here, as normally you should write a h1 tag, which heading, I don't say that again. Yes, and but now we just need to write first, and br break, right, and input, which is going to be the input quickly, and type, which is a text, but yeah, it's a text here. So, and as you can see, they're all inputs, but this one has a different type than the other ones. This one has text, this one has text, but this one is submit. So that's why button. Okay, and I'm going to name, and just name it, well, first. I don't want the space between it. First name, and that is all, except you need to put a value. Well, you don't have to. The value that you are going to put here is going to appear inside the, well, the box. I can put a first name. I will put, okay, and second input, I am change it to name. Just as you know, this is the very basic of the form. You can add very more, so a lot more than just two boxes and a submit the first name and last name. That's two. See? So it's going to be break, Yeah, it's the same thing. Or wait, how was it? 5G. Okay, and then going to be the input, the another input, and you're going to put a type, which is, you can choose a button, a checkbox, a color. Yeah, that's why I like brackets, because it shows you everything that you can do. And we're going to use, okay, value of submit. uh yeah, and as you can see, it's the same thing, except I didn't do this here. Back, that's what I'm with. Okay. I was just freezed. Okay, so that's what I am going to show you guys today, and consider subscribing if this helped. And I will have a PHP tutorial soon. I mean, a series of PHP tutorials. So stay tuned. See you next video. Peace.